So here we're going to have a look at how we can download all the submissions from an essay assignment and upload them in Turnitin. This might happen if you forgot to turn on the Turnitin submission options before you had your essay submitted, or if you suspect some kind of plagiarism or copying, you can then upload it at a later date. So we're going to come into this essay submission Dropbox and we're going to go to view all submissions. In here, we've only got 7 of the submissions at the moment, but basically we come up to the grading action here, we can click here and download all of our submissions, and that will zip those and then download them. So on the Mac here, you can see we've got them in a zip format, and then the Mac has also extracted that zip folder as well. So you might need to right click and then compress it again if you want to upload this all as one file. Or you can also upload the essays as individual files as well. Being able to upload them all as one zip file is kind of useful. So we'll now come into Turnitin and we'll log in here. We'll enter our username and password and click login. And when you first log into Turnitin, you'll be logged in normally as a student. We're going to come up to the option up here and switch to our instructor role. And then we're going to come into the course which we're uploading the essays from. So in here, we're going to create a new assignment, and this won't connect with Moodle. It will just be an assignment that you can look at the reports on Turnitin. So we're going to have a paper assignment. We'll jump to the next step where we're going to give an assignment name. We'll call this essay check. We're not going to give it a point value. And basically, we're going to submit the papers to a standard paper repository. We've got some optional settings here, but we don't need to set any of those. We're just uploading the papers manually. So we'll submit that, and then we can see our essay check assignment here. We'll come across the right, we see more actions. We'll go to submit, and in here you can see we've got a few options for submitting either a single file upload, a multiple file upload, or a zip file upload. So we're going to use the zip file option, and then we'll choose our zip file from our downloads folder. We'll upload that, and we'll click upload. And these are small essays, so it should be pretty quick for these to be uploaded. And then we can either add a name for each student, or we can just press submit and then submit again. So now we have our essays submitted, and we've got one similarity report already. If we hit refresh, then you'll see quite quickly all of our similarity reports will be completed. And if we click in on the similarity report, you'll see that we've got some similarities here, and then also our new AI score within Turnitin, which is an indication of whether this paper has been written by an AI or not. And I can tell you that this one has, because I just generated a quick dummy essay to pop into the assignment box, and as have all these essays actually been written by an AI. So you can see they're all showing up as 100%. We can scroll through all of them, and all of them are showing up as 100% written by an AI. Then we also have the regular Turnitin score, which is going to show us different parts of the paper where things have been submitted from other colleges or universities. So that is how to upload to Turnitin and to an assignment. This isn't going to connect with Moodle. It's just going to allow you to view and review those similarity reports where you either didn't turn Turnitin on, or you don't have it connected to the Moodle shell or other LMS that you're working on. So if you do have any questions, then do get in touch. Hopefully this is a helpful overview of how to submit essays directly to Turnitin to get those similarity reports and the new AI score.